Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn your project specifically when you have chain stitches and you're moving on to full crochet stitches. This is going to be different than when you're turning with regular crochet stitches. So to start off, you're going to skip this first chain that you have made here, and this is going to act as like a turning chain. You do not want to use it, remembering that the loop on your hook does not count as a chain stitch. You're going to insert your hook into the second crochet chain from the hook. So this is your second crochet chain. And when you put it through, you want to make sure that you have 2 loops on the top and 1 loop on the bottom. Then you're going to wrap your hook around the working yarn, and this is the working yarn connected to the ball of yarn, so that it's draping across the front, making this little line here. And I like to hold this first little loop that was originally on your hook on with my thumb just to make sure that it stays in place. And you're going to pull the string through the loop that your hook is on in these 2 loops here, and you want to make sure that this first loop stays on your hook. Then for the second part, you're going to loop your crochet hook around the string one more time and pull through both. You should have 1 little loop on your hook now, and you've officially turned your crochet. And if you have any problems with making this stitch, that's okay. If you just give this working end a little tug, they'll come right out and you can redo that stitch. Thanks for watching.